Hey rock stars, welcome to Christmas in Bangkok, day number 10. So this is the 10th day of Vlogmas or Advent or however you're keeping track, and welcome to Bangkok with me. I appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad that you took the time and took the chance to see what this thing is all about. If you've been here before, welcome back. Welcome back. I really appreciate it. It makes me not feel so on my own on this side of the world. I still feel so hooked in with this wonderful yarny community, as they say. I just feel really, I don't know, I feel like I've got friends all over the world now, and which is so great, and thank you so much. And I wanted to say, oh my gosh, I was watching some Vlogmas on the YouTubes this morning, and Nova, you are the sweetest young lady. I really appreciate the things that you said. She was so nice. She's one of the Vlogmases that I watch. I watch every single day, and I get really excited when hers come out. I love her. She is such a great girl. I would say woman. She's a great woman. She's probably younger than my daughter. And really enjoy your channel. I've never made a gnome before until Halloween time, and I made the witchy gnome. Halloween witch gnome. Is that what it's called? Loved it. Great tutorials. Such a breath of fresh air and wonderful to watch. It just puts a smile on my face. I'm watching the video, and at the end I realize I've been smiling the whole time because her smile is contagious, and I really appreciate that for sure. When we get on some of these videos, it's so nice, especially during this time, I think, and I hope that you feel the same way, to get on and just see some positivity and just see some happiness that's real. I mean, you know, sometimes we don't have a great day, and you don't want to see like a fake smile plastered on our face. So, you know, either I skip a day, or you kind of get what you get, because this is me. And that's one thing I really appreciate with Nova is it's her. It seems like it is. I'm not in her head. I don't even know her personally in real life. I don't want to say in real life, in person. But it sure seems like she is a straight shooter, and she is real as it gets. And I appreciate that. And thank you so much. Thanks for letting me and all the rest of us into your little Gnome home. I just love it. She said, come check out my channel, and if you have, thank you so much. And if you're here anyway and you haven't checked out Nova Gnome Creations, and please go check her out. She's got a great community going. She is doing a community blanket. I wish I could send something to her. She's taken in squares of any size to put together a blanket for her to hold dear and hold close of all of her Gnome community, all of her Gnomies in her blanket. She also does a community spotlight where you can send in what you've done, and she shows it every Friday, I think. On her channel, she does a little slideshow at the end to see what everybody has done, whatever creations they are, whatever creative, crafty creations they are. She puts it in there so that we can ooh and ah over it, and I love that. And then she also does a Gnome of the Month. Gnome of the Month. She does that for her gnomes, because that's what she's known for. I'm sorry. She's known for her gnomes. Nova is. Great stuff. The other Vlogmases I watch, of course, Mad Mimi, Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. I love watching that. She's got seeds that she's opening. Oh, Nova is opening up cups of cheer. And so so far they've all been coffee. They may all be coffee. There may be some cocoa like she had last year, but she's got some good coffees, little K-cups that she's opening up every day, and there are lots of cool different flavors. And Lala at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming is opening up seeds. She's got different seeds. I can't wait till she plants them and we start seeing them sprout up. Let's see if she can keep them away from her kitty cats, or they'll just eat them as soon as they sprout up, because I'm sure they're tasty treats. I enjoy seeing what her little elf Seamus has to think of her behavior. which sometimes is questionable. She's fantastic. You gotta see her. She's also, she's a real person. I mean, we're all real people, but you know, she doesn't, I don't feel like I'm watching something fake. I don't like that. That's what my TV shows are for. They're actors being fake. These are real people being real, and I enjoy that. So I watch Mad Mimi, and who else do I watch for their Advent, for their Vlogmas? I watch Tat Mama and the Beg Brigade. She has something a little different too. Just like some of these other ones are very different kind of Advents. She is opening up, she has an Advent that a friend sent to her that are different shells, different seashells. And so she opens those up each day, and you get to see and hear about these different shells every day, different kinds of shells. I didn't realize, I didn't realize there were that many beautiful shells. You know, I mean, there's lots of different shells out there, but 24 or 25 different kinds that are used in jewelry and art and whatnot. And she's not planning on doing that because, as she says, they were once someone's home, some creature's home. And so she's just gonna leave it at that, which is great. There's a lot more. There is a lot more. Just because I don't name it doesn't mean that I don't think they're great. Not that you should take my word for it. You should just go out and check them out. Tell me in the comments below who you watch. Who are you watching for Vlogmas? I really enjoy Amethyst Craftworks. But she's not doing a Vlogmas, but she's doing videos again, and I'm very excited about that. I'm going on and on and on. That's not why you're here. I'm not doing a review show, for heaven's sakes. It's Christmas Advent, Christmas in Bangkok time, and I have another gift to open. Got these from an LYS in Bangkok called Mind by Hand, and she's at Mind is a very nice lady. She's had this shop for about 13 years, and I put in my shopping cart online back in the beginning of November 24 gifts, and she's wrapped them up and sent them to me. So it's been a month. It's been over a month now since I put them in the cart, so I don't remember what they were. So let's open up something. Ooh, so some is yarn. I have a sleep injury. So that's why I'm turning weird. I have a sleep injury. I slept wrong. My neck is hurting. I've taken a leave. It still hurts. Anyway, it'll go away eventually. So I have some yarn, some tools, some doodads, and this and thingamajigs and thingamaboppers. So I'm gonna open the. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's yarn. I don't think that's yarn. Let's see what it is. I know what I hope it is. Not that I have a use for it yet, but I mentioned it before. Oh no, it's not, but I could use these too. I forgot I put these in there. Can create interesting works of infinite. Pom-pom makers. Pom-pom makers? Yeah, see? Instruction for use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 different sizes with a detailed view. So this is just like, what are they, the clover ones? They're just like the clover ones. Fluff Ball Weaver is what it's called, from WHWH. Example works can create interesting works of infinite. You love translation. 4 sizes. I'm excited about that. Gotta make some pom-poms. I love pom-poms. I'm gonna put pom-poms on all of my Santa hats so that everything is decorated for Christmas. Yes. Speaking of Santa hats, Christmas, which is why we're here, this is my gift to you. My gift to you is a tutorial to make this little Santa pillow. I know there's a lot out there. I just, I didn't follow one of those. I just did my own, so I figured I'd just share with you what I got. I wanted to make one. I wanted to use this Chanel yarn. Now this yarn that I get is about a 3 maybe 4 weight Chanel yarn, but you can use any size yarn and just adjust your hook. But I didn't fill it too much. But anyway, here's my little Santa. Little triangle pillow. So I haven't finished the tutorial yet. I'm actually doing this so that It's a day early, so I put this on so that you can't see I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. Why do I tell you if I do it so that you can't tell? And now I tell you. Anyways, so I have to make this tutorial now. I need to finish this tutorial and get it out so that I can link it in the description, and you can make one too. And I hope that some of you have gone out to my Facebook group, and I'm really thrilled that you're doing that. I hope to see some more of you out there. I will be posting some more of the things that I've been making out on the Facebook group, and I will link it below in the description, so please come join me. There's like 1, maybe 2 questions on there. It's like, how long you've been crocheting and what's your favorite yarn. You can lie, I don't care. I just want to make sure you're not a robot, right? So yeah, and then I will have a tutorial out for this. Should you be interested in making a very, very simple little Santa dude, no sew, obviously, no sew. Do a little embroidery for the eyeglasses and for the belt buckle, but everything else, of course, is just as you go. As you go. He's got a little beard, he's got a rim on his hat, got a pom-pom that I made before I made the hat, just kind of continued. Anyway, so look for that. It'll be linked below. So, Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night. I love you guys. I'm looking at the wrong place because I'm used to my phone, and now I have my tablet up again, and the camera's in there. I was looking for you over there, but you're over there. I love you guys. Merry, Merry.